Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your microphone or your headset from buzzing, having static issues, or maybe even cutting out when you're playing on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So have you been using your headset on your PlayStation 5 and then all of a sudden you start hearing like a buzzing noise? How would you go ahead and fix this and get rid of it so you can speak to your party chat without annoying them? Well, this could actually be a relatively simple fix. Now, if you are using like a headset kind of like this that comes with your iPhones, well, from my experience, these just buzz and there's relatively no way to fix them. But one way I did manage to play without the buzzing noises, on the headphone jack right here, when you go ahead and plug this in, if you slightly take it out just like this and start playing, well, it may not buzz. So plug it in and then just slightly take it out just like that and see if it stops buzzing. Then if that doesn't solve your problem, what you can do is turn over your controller just like this. Then right on the back of the controller, there is a small hole right here. Take a toothpick and just hold that down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And this will completely reset your controller. Now, you may have to reconnect to your PlayStation 5, so you'll want to go ahead and hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time to put into sync mode. And then you should be able to connect wirelessly. Otherwise, take a USB cable and connect it to the front of the PlayStation, and then connect the other end to your controller. And this will sync your controller to your PlayStation instantly. And that brings up another topic. When you're charging your controller via the console, this often leads to a lot of static when you're using a plugged-in headset like this. And if you're getting static only when you're charging like this, there's a couple of different things you can try. You can try plugging your headset into the phone outlet with just a phone charger just like this, and then playing from the wall outlet. So this will go ahead and work. And a lot of times you're getting the static and buzzing sound because, well, the device you're using isn't grounded. So you can see on this wall outlet there's 3 different prongs, 2 on the front here and then 1 on the back. And this one is not grounded. A grounded cable will have a 3rd prong on it. So for example, this is a grounded device. This is my monitor. So you want to make sure you're connecting this into like a power cord or a power strip that's grounded and is connected with all 3 prongs to your wall outlet. So you can see my device is grounded on my power cord right here, my power strip, and then my power strip is grounded in the wall outlet. Now, when your device is grounded, it should eliminate any of that feedback that's causing the buzzing sound and the static in your headset while charging. Also, sometimes when I have my phone too close to my devices, like my speaker, I'll get that buzzing sound coming out of my speakers as well. And maybe it's too close to your PlayStation, whatever. Make sure you're being aware of the other devices that have electrical interferences. So here are my Stealth 700 Turtle Beats headset, and I have like this bass boost mode. If I go ahead and press this on, it will make the sound like super loud and also be kind of like staticky as well. So if you do have a fancy pair of headset, just look at all the different options on here, and maybe they come with like a phone application where you have different audio presets or mixers on there where you can just change that and tweak it around, because some of these presets could be causing more issues for you than really help. Now on the PlayStation, press the PlayStation button and then go on down over to the sound and microphone options. So let's go to mic right now and then choose our microphone under the input device. And I'm going to be using the wireless controller. Then go to adjust microphone level. And under here, you can actually hear your microphone in your headset. So if you do have any kind of static, go to this screen and you can hear the buzzings. And you can try to fix it and remedy it. And let's say there's something going on in the background where it's very low volume, like a mouse click or keyboard taps that display under too low. So you can easily just adjust this slider until it's eliminated by moving this down to like the good section or just about to the too low section, and it'll eliminate a lot of those low end sounds. So if I put it like right here, then on the home screen, go to settings and then go to sound, go down to audio output and choose the HDMI device type if you are using TV, AV amplifier, soundbar, and then scroll on down until we get to general and choose the audio format priority. Go through this list. Now I would suggest Dolby or DTS, but choose one of these and see if just switching around does indeed eliminate that buzzing noise. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.